So let me guess, you're a new startup entrepreneur, small business owner, recently self-employed, you're trying to grow your business and you're frustrated with how much content creation you've got to do and you're running out of ideas. Well, I think I can help. Hold for the intro. Hey, what's going on? I'm Jaron. Welcome to the Savvy Entrepreneur Journey, where I help solopreneurs, small business owners, startup entrepreneurs position themselves as effective business leaders so they can build a career with more impact, income, and freedom. Who doesn't want that? Before we get into it, make sure that you subscribe, all right? Hit that notification bell. I'm really trying to build up this channel, and I want good people that want to learn, are open-minded, and I would love for you to see my videos on business growth and motivation tips and strategies and tactics, so it's important to get notified. Today, I'm going to focus on content creation for business, as specifically as part of your social media marketing strategy. That seems to be the thing that most people are frustrated with, specifically those of you that are very, very scared to be in front of the camera and video. I have some people I mentor and I coach, and nope, I'm not getting in front of the camera, even though I encourage them to, but that's a discussion for another day. That's okay. There's other ways to go about it, but you should still know how to leverage social media and creating content to obviously build awareness, consideration, drive traffic, and obviously get clients and profit. So what you're going to want to do when you're thinking about content creation, there's a lot of tools out there that will help you, but you also need to be thinking with intentionality. Content creation for business has to be intentional to be efficient. It can't be just like, ooh, I assume that my target clients and audience are going to want this. This is what I feel like making today. No. You have to know what the problems of your niche, of your industry, of your potential client or customer are, and then you have to create content revolved around that to obviously attract them. For instance, going a little bit meta here, you are having issues with content creation, so I'm aware of that, so I created content based around that. See how that works? All right, so for the sake of time, I'm just going to go over one tool, but I do plan on future videos and series to go over other ways of getting ideas. This is just one of many. So we're going to Google and we're going to type in keywords everywhere. That's keywords plural, okay? And it should come up real as the first hit, search result. It'll take you to the desktop version. We're going to forget about this for now, but we're going to, I have Chrome. Hopefully you either have Chrome or Firefox, because you can use the extension, which I highly recommend. So I'm going to install the Google Chrome extension, adding it to Chrome, adding extension. All right, going back. So we are keywords everywhere. Now, over here on Chrome, the extension has been installed. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pin it. Okay, because that just makes it easier to see, because we want to know and see when it's activated and not activated. Obviously, I click it, I get a pop-up. You can turn it on and off here. Again, we're not going to go through all of this right now, but I will come back to this pop-up in a second. What I want to do is get to the meat and potatoes, show you how to look for fresh content ideas. So we're back on Google. Let's say that your niche is basket weaving, okay? Basket weaving. Boom, here's where the quote-unquote magic happens. On the left side, we'll see our normal search results. It says like we have 60 million search results for basket weaving. I mean, it's obviously something that's been around for centuries. But here's where keywords everywhere is going to benefit you in creating content for your business. Now, all this stuff here, if you don't know what this means, SEO, off-page, brand query, again, don't worry about it now. But what we want to look at is the graphs and what's coming down below. This is cool to know that back in 2003, there was that much of a search volume, people looking for these kind of things. Obviously seems to have trickled down 2008, 2012. Again, I'm recording this on December 2021. But here, right down here, related keywords, and people also search for. This is extremely powerful. So again, if you were creating a business in basket weaving, you want to know what people are searching for. So right here, you want to know that people are typing in search terms. And again, a search term or a keyword can be a one-word search term / keyword, or it can be a multiple. Sometimes we call multiple worded keywords a keyword phrase. So just be aware of that. But this is a keyword or keyword phrase, basket weaving material. There's basket weaving paper. There's natural basket weaving materials, basket weaving Philippines, basket weaving kit, and so on. This is great because that means you're not guessing. You're not just shooting in the dark. You can create content revolved around those specific keywords, and you know that people are searching for it. Now, that's a beginning step. There's more to it in terms of optimizing and competition, and we'll get into that in another video, but this is a good stepping stone. Going back into here, some related keywords, just again, kind of give you some ideas. Now, this is the free function. You do have to pay to see additional data. More on that in a second, but I want to look at long tail keywords, what I meant earlier. Keyword phrases or multiple word keywords, sometimes better known as also long tail keywords. Basking weaving supplies. Basking weaving classes near me. Basking weaving falls in the category of. Why this is helpful is usually the long tail keywords are very, very niche or sub-niche. They're more specific. They might have lower search volume, but they have lower competition. So it's better for you to, if you're a small business owner, small creator, to optimize for, rank for, and just kind of target that very, very specific faction, that section of an audience. Because if you go too broad, like basket weaving or business or dating or marketing, well then of course that's going to have higher search volume, higher competition. It's harder to optimize for, rank for. You can create content around it, but again, it's better to create content under more specificity, with more specificity. Also gives you just a plethora of different topics. You just don't do topics on basket weaving, but then alternatives, basket weaving patterns, basket weaving kits, basket weaving techniques. I mean, right there, that's your content calendar for an entire month. I hope that makes sense, all right? By the way, are you enjoying this content? If you are, it would mean the world to me if you like and share, because I'm trying to grow this channel. I want to get the algorithm gods on my side. That, again, is just one example of how you can get some fresh content creation ideas. You use those search fields. Leave a comment. Tell me if this was helpful. Tell me what you struggle with when it comes to content creation ideas. Tell me if you want to learn more about other ways to create content. Again, I also focus on different aspects of business, whether it's marketing, email marketing, social media, anything that has to do with business growth, motivation, and tips. Speaking of motivation, framework and mindset and everything, I got something for you that hopefully it'll help. It is a free guide. It is the 7 habits to avoid for all entrepreneurs. Discover 7 habits struggling startup entrepreneurs should avoid to see success. You can click the link down in my description. It's also on the homepage of my YouTube channel. No, it is not a 50-page ebook. I know nobody wants to read that. I made just a 1-page document. It's not fluff, but I kept it short and sweet to the point, but it's habits that I see a lot of new and struggling entrepreneurs really just fall into. And the key to success in business, trust me, because I did it with my entertainment business prior to the pandemic, it really is mindset. You can learn all these strategies and tactics, like I taught you a strategy and some tactics to go along with it. But that's just one piece of the puzzle. If you don't have the mindset, if you don't see the bigger picture and part of the framework, then you are less likely or more likely to have challenges in your product or service-based business. Once again, I am Jerron of the Savvy Entrepreneur Journey. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, very important, so that you can benefit from the content that I'll be putting up. I'm going to put a video and a playlist here for additional content that I suggest that you should take a look at while you're here. And I hope to see you soon, and good luck with growing your business and becoming a savvier entrepreneur.